on today's episode of wasting my time doing things that I do need to be doing. Today we're making a cat cafe for a cat. It's gonna be cat size. Full disclosure, I did not come up with this idea. Let's get started. So obviously I'm going to start with the biggest box. I thought that this could form the main part of the cat cafe. I think I'm gonna do it this way and make that like a shelf, like a serving shelf, and then you like look in. I don't know, I'm using acrylic paint. Is that like cat safe? I mean, honestly, the cats probably aren't gonna care about this at all. I don't have a paint palette. How am I gonna mix paints? I'm actually stupid. We're gonna use this cardboard. I mean, this is kind of a cool pattern though. I could like use that. I think I'm gonna maybe use that pattern for something. I found this box. It's just for a booklight, which didn't work, but I just cut it open. So now we have a palette. I'm gonna paint the inside. Is that a bad idea? Maybe. I'm gonna make it like a pretty light pink color, but I don't know how much is in the white paint. Probably none. Let's find out. There's some in it. I want it to be really light pink, but I don't know if that's gonna happen because I have significantly more red paint than white. Oh.
What the hell is even that?
Let's just mix this up. Ready?
Don't do it.
How's that? So I'm gonna paint the whole inside of this box and then come back because like I said, not a lot of filming time and this is really boring. So, okay, I've painted just the back of it so far.
Wow.
What I was thinking though is that I should cut the hole for the cats to get into the box before I go any further. I'm thinking that I'll do that at the side, like a cute little door. It would be cool to make the door like functional. So you could like close it and put a little door handle on it. I don't think it would close very well, but if I do it like that, then I should paint first. Although the door would be a different color. I don't know how easy that's gonna be. I don't have a Stanley knife or anything, so I'm just gonna have to like use the scissors. Cats can fit in small spaces, so does the door need to be too big? Okay, I've marked out the door. You probably can't really see that. I'm going to cut it out now and then show you what I did. So that was
Not great.
So here's the door. Right, like it's the shape that I wanted. It did tear there. I'm going to tape that back up. But it's really... It does not look good. I don't really know what to do about that. I think we are just gonna keep going. So let me get some tape and repair this. If I put tape on this, it's not gonna paint, is it? Like the paint's gonna not go over it. I mean, the door is functional at the end of the day. I'm gonna finish painting the rest of the inside and then we'll move on. That took me like 20 minutes, but the inside is finally painted. I did change my mind on the pink because I don't know how much white paint I have left. So the back wall is pink and the sides and the top are red. The paint job is a little messy in parts. Oh, I didn't paint the bottom. I think I'm gonna make the floor a different color. The paint job is a bit messy. They're cats. Do they care? No. I'm gonna tape off the bits that are like ripped and stuff, and then I'm gonna have to work out what to do up here. I'm gonna have to fashion some cardboard into fixing the top of it. So at the moment I'm just taping this to the...
Please don't play with me right now.
Taping that opening closed. For this bit up the top, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut up this dust bag. It's like cut a strip of it, I guess, and like try and fold it over that thing. Let's just flip it upside down for now. Fold it over this thing. Now we have this. So if I like fold it as best I can, maybe it needs to be a bit smaller. The red paint is not dry, as I have just discovered. I don't think glue will stick it, so I'm gonna tape it. Wow. Am I a crafting genius or what? That's amazing. How good am I? That is all taped down. How excellent is that? What I think I'm gonna do now is paint the actual box. I think for the outside, I'm gonna do like a dark red, kind of like a maroon, like bricks. I don't know if I could be bothered to draw all the little bricks onto it, but we'll see. But I'm gonna do a dark red. I don't care. We're moving on. Yeah, I don't know if this is how you're supposed to make maroon, but this is how we're making it. If you're an artist, look away, I guess. I'm pretty sure there's like, you're supposed to have like blue or something. I don't know. Do I look like an artist to you? I just want to add a tiny bit of black to the red. That was a frightening noise. Okay, we'll try that for now. I mean, I really should draw the bricks on so that it makes sense, but kind of slack, kind of lazy. Don't really feel like doing that. This is not the color I thought it would be. If I add a bit more red, maybe. I mean, I have to use this color now because I just wasted half my paint. My family has 4 cats. The only cat that would be able to fit in this box is Jazzy. But I don't know, all the paint fumes, maybe none of them should go in there. It might just be like for decoration. I mean, it's not going to turn out good. It will probably end up in the bin, to be honest. Look at that. Look at that. I wasn't sure how well it would apply to this. It's a little bit see-through, so I might need to do a couple coats, or I could just try and be... Oh my god. Okay, it didn't go on the carpet. That's fine. That's fine. That was very frightening for a second. I'm not being responsible for ruining the carpet. That's a lesson learned. We're being more gentle now. I mean, I should just shut up and concentrate. Okay, side 1, the first coat is done. I'm hoping it'll only be like 2. This is kind of a lot of work.
Try being an influencer for a day.
Aren't you having so much fun watching me paint this cardboard box? Doesn't it look great? Doesn't it look marvelous and wonderful? Don't you just wish you're a cat so you could be in the cat cafe? You can't even see. Oh, I'm so terrible at pretending to be an influencer. I think I might make the door a darker color. I was gonna make it like a brown, and this is brown. Like it's like a maroon brown. Like wood. And then if I could be bothered, try and draw some wood planks on it. I know, you're thinking, wow, you really like overestimating your abilities. Yup. Yup. The door, look at the door, mate. Like the cardboard. I don't care. We're gonna keep going. I've already used up 22 minutes of filming time. Okay, I'll be back when this painting is done. Okay, the first coat is drying on the outside. So while we wait for that to dry, I thought we could make a little treat case. You know, like you're going to a cafe, you need food. I suppose with a treat case, I'm gonna have to work out how to like put little treats in it. I haven't really thought that far ahead. Paint over all of that. Okay, wait for coat 1 of that to dry. I put way too much black paint here, but that's okay. I'm going to paint the door black, I think, and maybe the floor as well. If I paint the inside, it will cover up all the little folds of the cardboard, so maybe I should. While it's drying, I have cut out these things from that patterned cardboard from earlier. I'm going to use them as the shelves, and I think I'm going to leave them with the little pattern because that's a cute bit of contrast. So there's 3 shelves, so I'm just going to make some little treats. Oh, it's got black paint on them now because my hands have paint all over them. Oh well, I'm gonna make like little cakes, I think. I don't think I can handle much else. I don't even think I can handle the cakes. I don't really know how to go about this. I'm just gonna like cut out little things. If I cut out a little rectangle like that and I roll it up and then I like top it off with another piece of cardboard, it's gonna be like a little cake, right? Right? I think that is gonna work. If I just put a little bit of glue and then roll it up and hold it until it sticks, maybe. I really do not want to cut out a tiny circle to fit on top of that. I'm just gonna eyeball it too. I'm not even gonna think like properly about it. No, it's too small. Okay, let's try again. That's definitely better. I do not want to replicate that. I'll make like a tray of biscuits. Okay, I've made 3 cakes and 2 trays of biscuits, and they all just look like cardboard right now. So I need to decorate them. I have gel pens here, but I don't know how that will look on the thing. So I think I'm gonna paint them. I'm gonna do white icing on the cakes. I think you can't probably see what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna paint the tops. I'm gonna put a little bit of yellow out because I was gonna make the biscuits yellow, maybe even the cakes, but not like yellow, like, you know what I mean. If I just get like a little bit of yellow and mix it into the white, it's kind of a bit neon. I'll make it a little bit orange when I get to the biscuit.
I don't know what was that, guys.
I'll make it more orange when I get to the biscuit. Maybe I should have done the side first or waited for it to dry. I don't have a lot of patience. You might have been able to... Oh, the top of the cake's coming off. Oh no. Guys, this was so much more work than I anticipated. I've been sitting here doing this for like 2 hours and the video is probably going to be like 5 minutes long because I had to do most of it off camera because it's really boring and you can't really see what I'm doing. Oh my god, the top's coming off this one too. I just tried to stick it down with the glue stick. Obviously that's not effective. Okay, and then the biscuits, I was just going to get like a little bit of the red mixture that I had just to make it a little bit orangey. Nope, that's making it pink. Oh. Oh no, not really what I wanted. I'll just keep adding colors until it's better maybe. I feel like that's closer to the color that I want. And I was just gonna paint these little biscuits. It's not really a biscuit color, but this is a cat cafe, so who cares? It doesn't have to be realistic. I was gonna make them chocolate chip. I suppose it doesn't make a lot of sense in a cat cafe because they can't have chocolate. I will be back when it's time to assemble everything. Once I'm done the painting and it's time to put things together.
2,000 years later.
The paint is drying on the main box, so I thought we would use this time to assemble the little display case because all those things have been drying. So what I have to do is stick these into the display case. I think I'm going to do it using tape. I don't know how it's going to look, but then again, if it looks really bad, it will just match the rest of this experiment. I'm just going to tape the back, have the tape half hanging off. So see there's like tape. Oh my god, no.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
That was bad. I'm gonna have to rip it out. That did not work. If I just like cut off some thinner bits of cardboard and then put them where the tape is, then I tape it again to like keep that right angle shape. I mean, you'll be able to see the tape, but like I said, that, oh my god, wait, it's not even. Okay, that's fine. I'll just cut that bit off. Like I said, it looking bad just kind of matches with this whole thing. If I tape it in there, yeah, okay. Okay, well you can see the tape and it doesn't look great, but maybe I can paint over that. So I think that's what we're gonna have to do. This is the roof. Okay, I've done so much off camera. I'm just putting the finishing touches on it. We're going to attach this little, I cut out this little cat head from some cardboard. It's going to be kind of ugly. The paint is not dry on this cat head, so it's a little bit difficult to work with. I mean, if any of this had been easy, I would have been disappointed. Oh my god, guys, you're not even ready for how terrible this is. We're just going to put these little cakes and whatnot in the thing. But let me show you what we're working with. What do you think? That thing like falls over. It's like not taped right. See, we've got the little case in there. This is my little cat thing that I made and hung up. We're just gonna put the little cakes and stuff into the display case. I'm not looking forward to this cleanup. See a little tray of biscuits. I should probably like glue these down, but the glue is not good. Look. No cat is going to be able to fit in there after I put this little display case in, but I think we're done. I wanted to write on this sign, but the paint is wet, so I don't think that would be a good idea. I'd love to draw some little like flowers and stuff. I don't know if the pens will even draw on this. No. Excellent. I can be done. I can be done with this hell. So we're going to show Pebbles. Pebbles, wake up. Wake up. What do you think? I don't think she cares. What do you think of the thing? She said, that smells like paint. Get it away from me. This was a significant waste of my time. I really thought it would turn out better than this, but also at the same time, I thought it would turn out worse. Pebbles didn't even like it, but no cats can even fit in there, so you can't even tell what this is because I haven't written on the sign. I'm in shock. I'm also unsurprised. It's, you know, I just am not good at things. That's a lie. Like, I could have been good at this, but I was on a time crunch because my phone has no recording time. Also, I don't think it would have turned out much better. Let me just show you a montage, if you will. Thank you for watching. Sorry this wasted your time too. Please feel sorry for me having to clean all this up. Thanks.